Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord N30, and today I would like to show you how you can enter all text correction options. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Following that, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are available over here. To manage them, click on this order next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!